Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach pasta for baby. First, select about 1 cup of fresh spinach, a half cup of small pasta, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Opt for pasta shapes like orzo or tiny stars, which are easy for little hands to manage. Always prioritize organic ingredients to provide the best nutrients for your baby. This simple recipe is perfect for introducing new flavors and textures. Next, let's prepare the spinach puree. Start by washing about 1 cup of fresh spinach very well. Then, quickly blanch the spinach in boiling water for about 30 seconds, immediately transferring it to an ice bath to stop cooking. This helps retain its vibrant color and nutrients. Finally, blend the blanched spinach with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. Now, cook your chosen baby pasta. Use about 1/2 cup of small pasta and follow the package instructions, ensuring it's soft enough for your baby. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly. Gently combine the warm pasta with your fresh spinach puree. Stir in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which adds healthy fats crucial for baby's development and enhances the flavor profile. When serving, ensure the spinach pasta is warm, not hot, and cut into appropriate, bite-sized pieces for your baby. Always supervise your little one during meal times. Any leftover pasta can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, please see the link in the description below. Enjoy watching your baby explore this nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.